Okay, so let's recap what we learned about simple interest. Excuse me, simple interest last lesson. The thing we need to know mainly is the simple interest formula. So let's write that up on the board again. Interest equals principal times, whoops, that didn't go very well. That's the 50. Principal times rate times time. So let's just indicate what those symbols mean. I stands for the amount of interest. P stands for principal, or the amount invested. The amount invested, or the amount borrowed, depending on whether you're lending money or whether you're lending money out or borrowing money from someone else. The rate, R stands for the rate, which is the interest rate, and you need to express that as a decimal. And T is the amount of time expressed in years. Okay, so let's do an example. Let's say we want to borrow $10,000 at a rate of 7% per annum for 2 years. Okay, the first thing we probably need to do is to convert our rate from a percentage amount to a decimal amount. Because the way we have written our formula, we are including the rate expressed as a decimal. So we need to convert the percentage to a decimal first. In order to do this, we divide the number by 100. So we go 7 over 100, and that equals 0.07. So 7% expressed as a decimal is 0.07. So whenever you have something that's expressed as a percentage and you want to convert it to a decimal, you must divide it by 100. Okay? Scroll up a little bit. So now to calculate our calculation, we put those numbers into the formula and it will tell us how much interest we have to pay. Remembering we're borrowing money in this case, so we're going to have to pay interest to the bank or whoever we borrow the money from. So let's do it. Interest equals the principal, which is $10,000 here, that's the amount we borrow, times by the rate as a decimal, which we've already done, times by the amount of time in years, which is 2. Okay, and that comes to $1,400. So that means that we need to pay an extra $1,400 interest as well as paying back the amount we borrowed. So in total, we must pay back the amount borrowed of $10,000 plus the interest of $1,400, making a total of $11,400.